And we are live. Good morning, crypto warriors, and welcome back to the Gem and the Crypto episode 624. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, and I'm King.
We are here to bridge the gap between cryptocurrency and the community Monday through Friday at 10ish.
That's right. Today's top stories: Bitcoin price officially hits $20,000 for the first time in history. So, of course, quick hand clap for that. Right. Ruffer investment confirms massive Bitcoin buy of 744 million. Bancor soars 86% in 2 days as Coinbase lists BNT. DEX volume spikes. Crypto-friendly trading app Robinhood faces lawsuit from securities regulators. Silk Road's Albrecht being considered for pardon by Trump. And Kraken exchange will integrate Bitcoin's Lightning Network in 2021. But first and foremost, what's going on with those Bitcoin prices?
Oh, yeah. So, of course, today we have seen for the first time ever, Bitcoin cross $20,000. We got very close to 2017, and today we finally crossed it. So, for those of you who bought the top in 2017, congratulations. You are a new graduating class into the Bitcoin space. You paid your tuition and your 3 years of dues. And now you're at a point where you're in profit, so you can get the next group of holders to hold on to. So today's prices: Bitcoin right now is at $20,677. Ethereum at $620 is up 5.9%. Ripple at 50 cents is up 6%. Stellar at 18 cents is up 6%. Chainlink at $13.15 is up 3.8%. Litecoin at $87 is up 6.6%. And last but not least, EOS crossing the $3 mark is up 4.4%. Literally everything is in green except for, I think, Orchid, but literally everything's in green. Bitcoin's move serves well for everybody. Whenever Bitcoin makes a big move, altcoin traders start buying alts in anticipation for the dump. And then, of course, Bitcoin people hold on even stronger. So it's good for both sides. What we're seeing is institutional FOMO, because I have seen nothing on major news sites about this. That's how you know it's institutional, because it's quiet. Retail, it was all over it. But now, a little bit different this time around. So congrats to everybody across the 20K. Definitely a 20K day, so I want to get this started. Go ahead and crack one open. Oh, yeah.
Man, you got that weak drink for 20K day.
This is all I got.
This ain't the 20,000 Satoshi day.
That's all I got. I've been working.
All right, there we go. I'm gonna have to
send you. Time to go to the store. This was laying around in my office.
I'm gonna have to send you Pacifico in the mail. You know how we do out here.
Yeah, so this is my backup beer. This is all I had.
All right. Well, you should. I can't get the text message before the show. I would have had the Pacifico on deck and ready. Boom. Anyway, you know how we do. No. Happy 20K day.
Happy 20K day, people. Yeah, crack one open early in the morning, baby. We in here.
Funny, man.
They can't tell you shit today. Remember that. They can't tell you shit today.
One thing I do want to talk about, as you said, it's interesting to hit that point, because there's no reason for it to at this point. Of course, the craziness of the crypto market, when it's supposed to actually rise, when tech is being made, when Schnorr signatures are being worked on, the price doesn't do anything. And then, of course, when everyone goes to sleep, all of a sudden it goes past 20K. So what I do want to point out, while this is great news, and of course, we don't know, this could turn to a parabolic bull run, can go sideways and dip back down. I want to remind people, one of the reasons why it did cross 20K is because it was sitting at 19K. You got to remember, to go to 20K, 20,700, the highest I just saw that last night, this morning, that literally was like a 2% increase, if that, right? So again, we talked about this before. We're at that point where we're not looking at, like, the percentage swings are going to be smaller as we see these dollar values go up and go down. So I wouldn't be surprised as it continues to pump. If we see 21, 22K in a couple of days, we see 18, 19K, and it's no tomorrow. And then next day after that, we see the jump again, because those percentage swings again are so much smaller. Those dollars are becoming bigger.
It's different strategies too. You know, retail people, they may be buying right now, trying to make a quick flip for Christmas. They cashing out this weekend. I can tell you that right now. Institutions, though, you know what they're waiting for? They're trying to lower their tax liability. They're buying as much Bitcoin as they can, because
now see, with that being said, that's the scary. See, but look, that's the scary thing, because if both of those things are true, we might see a small dip coming up in a couple of weeks. Of course, but that also means in the new year we might see a big dip, and that would be the biggest pump fake I've ever seen in my life. That thing went from 22K to 9K overnight. Like, oh, we just doing that for tax, baby. We get that money. But I didn't even think of that. Oh my God, I'm shell shocked.
That's what happened in 2017. That's why the dump was so ridiculous, because the few institutional or big traders that were in it, they were dumping. They were sitting at 20K or 19K waiting to dump. Went to 18, 17, 16 in a matter of 3 days. And then
I didn't think about that.
we're at
Wow.
13K.
What, will that be the new play every year? We have to pay attention to the tax dump, because right now it's not illegal technically, and you are buying something, and all you have to do is just pay the tax on that next year and get all your money right back. And that was a story about it actually worked.
All you gotta do is pay capital gains. We're gonna see this over and over. See, smart traders understand I'm not gonna go against the market, because right now everybody's trying to buy, but they're not gonna go when everybody's trying to sell. They're gonna wait, they're gonna buy it all up. And again, like I said, that is what December's about, trying to lower that tax liability.
Speaking of which, look, I'm about to have to boss up on some people. Why I start getting those text messages lately, or last night and yesterday, all the people who said no back in 2016 haven't talked to. Hey, you still in the Bitcoin? I'm like, bro, I told you then we got a daily show 3 years ago. Like, yes, I am still into it. You can check me out every day on YouTube. But
like I said, January 1st, don't call my phone.
Listen, we live in the same area. Oh, we gotta get up. We gotta catch up.
Don't gotta do nothing.
We don't have to do none of that. We don't have to do no catching up. We don't have to do nothing. I've been in the same place doing the same business for years. But no, it's hilarious. I'm getting all the text messages. So to me, that's telling me, I don't know. Is this the time to go big or go home? Does Bitcoin Zay and King finally do the long awaited ICO this year? Find out more on the Jump Into Crypto tomorrow. All right, go ahead and give some quick shout outs. See everybody here. Everybody hyped today. Paris said, let's fucking go.
Let's go. That's how you start off a comment section.
Right? That's how you start off first in the comments. Tiffany from New York. Hey, what's up, Paul? Paul, you are third. You are not first. Come on. I was too rich to miss. What's up? Blue Fig said, and we're off. Erica K, good morning. Crypto Q said, I made it 20,000. Jizzy Mac, Lisa Lee. Let's see. Dexter Hand Sr. said, Hola, Launchpad, Dominican Republic, taking off. Tommy Brown, New Breed 0707. Happy 20K day, gentlemen. Dexter Hand Sr. Trust Truth, the same FOMO. Alec G said, just T for me this AM. Hey, you know what's up, Alec? We in here. Black Impact, what's going on? Will 45, BA Baracus. Say, I'm bouncing from channel to channel right now.
Hey, yeah, everybody jumping on at the same time.
What's up, Crypto Blood, CBTV? Make sure you subscribe and check out CBTV, Crypto Blood, another one of our crypto brethren in the YouTube space. Got the moon signals, of course. Crypto, right now, what is your take? Give us your take. In fact, right now, let's do the call-in. Crypto Blood, we're going to do a call-in today. If you can actually call in and link, that would be super cool today.
Link is in the comments.
Yeah, the Bitcoin's able to see link, but if you can call in Crypto Blood, that'd be awesome. If not, just leave a quick thing in the chat comics. Let us know your thoughts. Where are we going? We going up? Are we about to stay sideways, or is this thing going back down? Thanks again, Crypto Blood. Again, that's CBTV if you're listening. Let's see. Malik Howard, Rashu, hello. All right, I think I got everybody for the most part. Top story, Ruffer Investment confirms massive Bitcoin buy of $744 million. If you're wondering how this price continues to stay where it's at, this is the answer. This is like the third one in recent weeks we've heard about where it's just like, oh yeah, we meant to tell you about, we bid about $740 million. You almost bought $1 billion. I mean, literally, we have like two companies together that have bought over $1 billion in crypto. When you think about MicroStrategy's $500 million, this is a $744 million one. What are your thoughts on this and what's going on with Ruffer's investment?
Oh man, so imagine when BlackRock shows up with $1 trillion in assets and they're like, well, we want to buy 10 billion worth. We'll see crazy numbers. But the UK-based Ruffer, they confirmed the size of their tremendous Bitcoin investment from November. They invested about 550 pounds, which is equivalent to about 2.7 of the firm's assets under management. But currently, that 550 million is worth about 744 million, or roughly 45,000 Bitcoins. And what's going to happen is a lot of these big companies making these big investments are going to trickle down to the smaller hedge funds who are copiers, not really innovative. They just copy the bigger hedge funds or bigger investment groups, and they're going to do the same. So they actually bought Bitcoin as a protective move for portfolios, acting as a hedge. How the language has changed. It went from Bitcoin is a risk to it's risky without Bitcoin. And that is the point we're at now. There are companies that are literally like, the dollar is done. I don't even know why the hell people bring it up. Bitcoin is the only way to save for the future. So, like Michael Saylor said, he bought Bitcoin because he wanted something he can hold for 100 years. I think that Ruffer is similar.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Can you put the link in the? If you put the link now, they can get it, right? They don't have to call in immediately, right? Crypto Blood X link.
Yeah, I'll
Yeah.
put the link. Yeah, it's right there.
Okay, cool. He just put it in there. Yeah, it's crazy when we think about it because I'm not gonna lie, it makes me sick to my stomach. It's just like I wish I had $1 billion just to be like, oh, okay, let me just throw this in the market now that it's too late. Like, look, give me 10,000 in 2016, give me 100,000. You know what I mean? Like, people are spending $1 billion on this just to be in the game because it's a risk. It's a risk averse move. It's a way to avert some of the risks they may face. So again, it's crazy. We're officially at this point now where companies have to do it. Some companies still are not on board. So it's still early. It is still early. Remains to see. Again, I think this still might be fake volume where companies are buying up all this stuff and people aren't using it. Only thing I can see that would make this different is if they, like I said before, if they really stuff it down our throat and they make us use crypto from now on. If tomorrow you wake up and your Trader Joe's and Whole Foods are saying, no, we're not accepting debit or credit or cash, only crypto. Which one of these companies may possibly do?
Hey, Pornhub already said it. Pornhub said they're only accepting crypto now for their premium channels. All the degenerates who need their fix, only crypto. So
Did
we're
you say
getting
all
to
the
a point.
degenerates that need their fix?
Hey,
The
man,
back
we all
makes it so
need
good.
something. It doesn't matter where you get it from.
All right.
Hey, man, buy crypto.
Bancor soars 86% in 2 days as Coinbase lists BNT. DEX volume spikes. The price of BNT, the native token of Bancor protocol, spiked by 86% in 2 days. That is right, people. It looks like as my man's was old boy B Cash, what'd he say? Hey, it ain't illegal to do no pump and dump around here.
Yeah, Roger Ver. Who
Right.
said it was illegal to do a pump and dump? Not me. I didn't see it.
That's right. Coinbase is added again. The price of BNT, the native token of Bancor, surged 86% in merely 2 days from $1 to $1.91. The rally was fueled by a combination of Coinbase's listing of BNT and the growing volume of Bancor's DEX. This is crazy. It does it again. The Coinbase stimulus package looks to still be alive and well here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And if you have any sort of insight into what's being listed, which people aren't supposed to, you can literally make the easiest, 80, 100% on your gains. And that's the thing about BNT being listed on Coinbase. They've been doing this for years. Coinbase has been listing people, and they easily are the only exchange that I know that does pump and dumps legally. I don't know how they get away with it, but it's a track record of every time they list somebody, boom, they get a pump and dump. We got Crypto Key just jumped in. If you want to give us a quick question, quick shout out real quick.
Yeah, I gotta give a heads up, Isaiah.
Oh, my bad.
Hey, you there, Crypto Key?
There, Crypto Key?
All right. Axing them out. Let's keep it pushing, bro.
All right. Got to do it. Yeah, sorry about that.
Send the link to Crypto Blood. All right. Crypto-friendly trading app Robinhood faces lawsuit from securities regulators. The Commonwealth of Massachusetts plans to sue Robinhood for alleged violation of state laws and regulations not related to crypto. What is going on with Robinhood over there? I thought they was in good graces with Wall Street.
Hell no. Robinhood is actually an enemy of Wall Street to an extent, simply because Massachusetts regulators allege that Robinhood's marketing illegally targeted inexperienced investors. One of the things Robinhood is good at is getting 18 and 19-year-olds all hyped up that they can make a lot of money. They get on Robinhood, and some of them lost a lot of money because of their trading engine failure. According to the final draft of the 20-page administrative complaint, the Wall Street Journal says the enforcement arm of the Massachusetts Securities Division said that Robinhood exposed Massachusetts investors to unnecessary trading risks by falling far short of the fiduciary standard. What exactly is that fiduciary standard, I asked? But when the business is about making money, Robinhood's going to do what they want. And Robinhood, they actually have a spokesperson says that he hasn't seen the complaint. Robinhood has opened up financial markets for a new generation of people who were previously excluded. We are committed to operating with integrity, transparency, and in compliance with all applicable laws and regulations, blah, blah, blah. So I believe Robinhood is actually doing what's in their best interest. They have a lot of lawyers, so it does seem as though they know what they're doing. But we'll see what happens with Massachusetts, because I'm sure this is what I think happened. I think there was somebody in Massachusetts Securities Division who has a kid or a nephew who got on Robinhood, got their $50,000 worth of whatever lunch taken from them, and they told them, and they were like, "Hold up, how did they let you on there? You're a 19-year-old idiot. How were you able to trade this much money?" And I'm pretty sure that's how Robinhood came about. It had to be, because it couldn't be for regular Robinhood people losing money, because that happened, 2018, 2019? This would have happened before. So interesting story. We'll see what happens.
I think you're being too modest. I think one of the regulators lost their money on Robinhood.
Regulators, yeah, exactly. Y'all just let me trade on there? Why
they might have blamed it on their kids. They might have they might put the complaint. But and this is my thing. Robinhood, this is essentially a Wall Street company, right? Like you said, they have lawyers. They have a security team. Who are they backed by? Goldman Sachs, or are they backed by? Is that who they're backed by? JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs.
Yeah,
they're backed by somebody. So this is a traditional company that has all these, a complaint comes, they're getting a phone call before the complaint goes across the judges or the police, the investigator, whoever's desk, right? So my point is, if all this is happening, like you said, it's definitely coming from the inside. And not only that, it might not even be real. Oh, there we go. We got crypto blood in the house.
Oh yeah,
wow.
There we go.
Big oven pizza, baby.
Oh, yeah. So excited. So excited.
Those to you, CB. What up, Crypto Blood?
What's going on, fellas?
Robinhood right now, whether it's stay or goes, who cares? We got CB in the house. What are your thoughts on this 20K Bitcoin price? And I'm glad you joined for these last two stories, too, because we got two last interesting stories. But, of course, the 20K Bitcoin price, what's the deal? Is it staying? Is it going? What's happening?
Oh, man, we're going to 30,000, dog.
Oh, boss up
yeah.
Make money, crypto.
You heard it here first.
we going to 30,000, fellas. We going to 30,000. I'm buying a Lambo. I'm driving to wherever you two. Y'all in two different states now. I'm doing a tour, baby.
Oh, listen, we get a Lambo. We get helicopters this year, baby. We got views out here.
Exactly. We lifted straight up and out, baby. We ain't waiting on traffic.
We already sold the bad crypto blood. No.
Hey,
so 30K.
The reason is it's just not a number I picked out of thin air. That's the next Fibonacci extension area, right? So you take it from all-time highs and extend it out. The next extension is 30,000. So that's why I'm saying 30K.
Now, is this a be January 1st 30K, or is this a sit still? It'll come when it comes.
Comes with it. That one I can't tell, because we're in uncharted territory now.
Yeah. Thank you for being honest, Crypto Blood.
There's no historical reference. There's no historical reference for all-time highs. I try to tell people that when people are like, "Oh, we're going to 24 or 32 or 20,"
right?
There's no historical reference for it. So you can either use Fibonacci, like you said before, or you can use what other people use as far as indicators. In my opinion, I'm kind of on the same road with Max Kaiser and you, 28 to 30. And then I think we have a pretty big pullback, because retail is going to get super FOMO. If they sit here and watch Bitcoin from 20,000 to 21, we might be at 21 before we finish the show. Then 25.
21.
Yeah, so, retail FOMO.
The thing is, so going to 30,000 would and coming back to 20,000 would be roughly 30% retracement. That's a healthy, we could see that that makes sense to me. All-time high now becoming new floor for us for a bit. So yeah, man.
Hey, well, we've been sitting at 19,000, so I believe you. I think that's possible. While we have you here, if you don't mind covering the last couple of stories, you with that, CB?
Absolutely, let's do it.
All right, the top one or top last of the last two, we have to talk about Silk Road's Albrecht being considered for pardon by Trump. That is right. U.S. President Donald Trump is reportedly weighing whether he should give the jailed founder of defunct dark web marketplace Silk Road, Ross Albrecht, a pardon. The quick thing about Ross Albrecht, for those who don't know, we covered him many times in this show. Lynn Albrecht, we know his mother. She's been having everybody sign the petition to get him free. I think they reached over 1 million signatures. But Ross Albrecht was given a double life sentence for essentially creating a website where, of course, people could buy and sell wherever they want without any type of government intervention. He got that double life sentence. And oh, by the way, some of the agents that actually arrested him and was involved in his investigation also went to prison for things like murder and stealing his Bitcoins. So it was a convoluted case, but he was the only person that got dumped on his head. Again, 2 life sentences for creating a website. What are your thoughts on this, Crypto Blood, that President Trump might actually pardon him?
I mean, it'd be cool. Didn't you guys interview his mother?
Yep.
Yeah, we had his mother on. Yep.
Yeah. So you guys know, like, you know, how much she's going through, but a life sentence for that, man. I mean, to me, he wasn't selling the drugs. He wasn't facilitating it. I mean, he just had a marketplace, right? So that's like Amazon. If Amazon is allowing, I've seen, I don't know if you guys heard these stories of like pedo selling sex trafficking on Amazon and stuff.
And Wayfair, I've seen a few. $30,000 couch. Get the fuck out of here.
Exactly. So, you know, is the CEO of Wayfair or Amazon going to do time as much time as he has? No, I think it's unfortunate. And I hope Trump does do that before he leaves. And free honestly, Kwame Kilpatrick too.
Yeah, free Kwame.
Free Kwame, baby. Hell yeah. But I want to say too, you know, when he went to jail, it was part of the last administration. And those government officials were from the last administration.
That's
Trump, right. He's fired everybody from back then.
He could do that despite them. That would be interesting.
That's what I'm thinking is, hey, y'all put this dude to jail. What if I released him? And basically, the federal government that was messing up before, that is fuel for Trump. He can say, hey, look at all this corruption that happened. They threw a man in jail for years that didn't deserve to be there. I pardoned him because he's a true American hero. If he says something along those lines, hey man, seeing Ross get out of jail after all these years of free Ross donating, watching the DVD, talking to his mom multiple times, that would be amazing. So I love to see
it. It'd be crazy. What if he actually came out, started a new website, and then started selling drugs himself on it? He was like, "Got y'all. I was doing it the whole time." No, I'm just kidding. We're just kidding.
I mean, you know, like I said, you know, them giving him a double life sentence is not doing crazy.
Anything. I mean, that's ridiculous. Yeah.
When you think about crime, that's like the different types of crimes that are out there. You're talking about this guy getting a double life sentence is for creating a website. I mean, that's ludicrous. But hey, that's the unfortunate game we're playing. All right, to end on a great news story.
If he was black, he would have got triple life.
Hey, listen, no, he might have just took his life. Look, he's
out of here.
Oh man.
Kraken Exchange will integrate Bitcoin Lightning Network in 2021.
Oh yeah.
Right. Yeah, shout out to Kraken.
A little quick hand clap, Kraken. Oh yeah.
Bitcoin Zay, go ahead and take this one off. What's going on, Kraken? They are one of the first main exchanges doing this Lightning, bringing the Lightning technology to it. Is it working? Is it up and running? What's happening here?
Oh yeah. So Kraken actually announced today, that they will integrate Bitcoin Lightning Network in 2021. They says it will have significant improvements in speed and fees. And according to Cointelegraph, Kraken's lead strategist, Pierre Rochard, revealed that Lightning will first be integrated for withdrawals, bringing down transfer fees from roughly $10 to about 1 penny. And it allows instant withdrawals. This is the thing about Lightning. Didn't work for a long time, but once it's implemented into a major exchange, if they're saving millions of dollars on withdrawals, and their customers are, I'm sure this will bode well for them. One thing I am waiting to see is whether or not it does work, because they can't implement it and there's bugs or some problem and they have to retract. But this to me reminds me of SegWit, when companies were implementing SegWit in the exchange. If you didn't implement SegWit, you were basically outsider. That's why BitPay started getting a bad rep. That's why Coinbase got a really bad rep when it took way too long for them to implement SegWit. I think this Lightning will be the same thing. When people get on an exchange and they say, hey, I just withdrew my money for 2 cents and it took 30 seconds. Why does it take 5 days and why did it cost me $10? Those exchanges will have to change. And I think Lightning Network will catch on at some point. So shout out to Roast Beef from Lightning Labs for working on projects like this, getting Lightning to that point. So good to see.
Nice. What are your thoughts, Crypto Blood?
I don't know, guys. I'm not convinced of the Lightning Network. I mean, what do you guys think about Wrap BTC? Like, I think that's a better, easier, scalable solution for Bitcoin.
I like my Bitcoin unwrapped.
Okay.
I
hear you.
Wrap BTC as far as a scaling solution long term, we'll see. But right now, yeah. But Lightning Network for me, as far as the development, is sort of Bitcoin in 2012. It's like, well, it could work, but it doesn't yet. That's why I'm waiting to see if it works for Kraken, because if it does work, and it does bring the promises that they talked about back in 2016. What exactly will happen with exchanges? They will change, but again, wait and see, because all technology needs time. This is not some plug and play. It works.
Right.
Lightning Network needs a lot of development. Trust me.
Yeah.
Folks, this is why I love having CBTV on with us, Crypto Blood on, because between Bitcoin Zay and his views, Crypto Blood and his expertise and his views, you see, like, they both have might have different opinions on different things, but they both are going at it with an educational point of view from the crypto space. They both know what they're talking about.
Right.
And that's what I like. I mean, it's just showing people different investment strategies, different things they can do with their portfolio. But I like the way you both attack it from those different angles real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Let me check out some of these comments that are coming in. They're coming in hot right now. Everybody's excited that CBTV is on with us as we are. Dark Spirit, Peace Spam, 20K, P-Man Band said congrats. Funny how you can't have any more personal responsibility for your actions. We must be protected at all times. Bitcoin Fashion said, what? Wire Spark says, CB was good. Olayami Ogunoi. I don't want to mess up your last name. Pardon me. Everybody is in here. That is what's up. Thanks for joining, everybody. Bitcoin Zay, what else you got?
Nothing much for me. We also hit an all-time high today. Most watchers for the show ever so far live. So all-time high for us. Again, like we said, when Bitcoin hits an all-time high, everything hits an all-time high. But yes, Bitcoin in Black America version 2 on sale now. That's it for me. Just like I said, enjoy the ride and have some good holidays, because it seems like.
And Crypto Blood, are you still you got your trading group going on? What's the deal? Go ahead. Go out
Algo's going good. You guys can sign up for a free month, actually. So hit me up under any of my videos. You'll see the link, and email me at algo@cryptoblood.io. Automated trading. So yeah, check me out.
I got some
we're long Bitcoin. Yep. We're long Bitcoin and ETH right now. So we're doing good, leveraged up.
And I'll say this about Crypto Blood's trading group. I mean, it's been around for years. He knows what he's doing in there. So again, if you want somebody you can go to for knowledgeable source, this is definitely the guy right here. Or just somebody else who you want to hear talk crypto that's not us. Again, he's definitely one of the OGs in the crypto, and we always appreciate him being on. As always. Sure. And I actually might be back up in a couple of weeks. I'll let you know if I make it back.
We got it. Yeah,
Listen, I don't have no winter clothes, so I don't know if I'm coming yet.
Hey man, all that Bitcoin money you got, you can go ahead and buy you a whole Detroit wardrobe.
You gotta get the. I would say you gotta get
the puffs.
Gotta get the puffs.
I'm waiting for the $3,000. I want the ones, I want the retros, man. Give me the circles with the diamonds around them.
Old school Detroit players out
50 pointers.
Pimping in the snow. That's what I'm talking about.
New school. Throw the new school on there. Look.
Oh yeah, slipping on the ice in your gators.
Right.
Hey, as always, Crypto Blood, thanks for joining us. Everyone, thanks for watching. You know how we do here. We just like to talk crypto, have some fun with it, and keep you all up to date on all the news. Make sure you smash that like and share. And check us out tomorrow. And make sure you go to CBTV, Crypto Blood TV on YouTube, and subscribe and check out his videos as well if you already haven't. Other than that, happy 20K day. We will see you all tomorrow, I'm sure, with some crazy ass news, right?
Holla.
Cheers.
Cheers.